welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a ChatGPT workflow for a freelancer. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create a ChatGPT workflow for a freelancer, all you can do is simply go to your ChatGPT. Once you are in your ChatGPT, you need to simply give it a defined prompt. You need to create a ChatGPT workflow by identifying repetitive tasks and using AI for assistance in client acquisition, project execution, and business management. The key is to use ChatGPT as a co-writer and assistant, not a replacement, always reviewing and refining the output. So you need to give it a basic prompt about what you want to do in your work. So as a freelancer, you can have different niche and you can let it help you in client acquisition and onboarding. You can also do some research through it for project execution and delivery and business management as well. So this is how you can create a ChatGPT workflow for freelancer. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.